that's what is going to become real courtesy AI, which has become mainstream or big technology which is available to everyone.
We are coming up something really big on AI very soon.
So AI, what we see today, is fundamentally going to change how education is delivered in this country, not just in country, worldwide. What has happened is that massive amount of power is now available to everyone to play around with. So AI is no longer just confined to very big technology. What is now available is for everyone.
For us, it has always been a great savior, because we think it can help the teachers who is teaching inside the classroom or solving problems in the night for young learners. But more important than that, it is helping the learners. In a live class, it can help as a agent for the teacher, but also maybe 12 o'clock in the night when nobody is there, this mentor teacher can work on behalf of the real teachers to help solve problems, help solve the doubts of the learner. When it comes to learners, I think there are two areas where AI has a big role to play. I think the first one is definitely when nobody is around me, can it be a mentor, solve problems for me? But more than that, much more than that, is a motivator. AI could become a very big motivator for the learners. In JEE and NEET, the journey is really long. It's a 2-year minimum time which you prepare. Some students prepare for 3 years. There are ups and downs. Some exams you do well, some exams you don't do well. Not one of the easiest of the journey.
So whether you are learning content from a teacher, right, and you have some doubts when you are learning, you will get a personal teacher to help you solve that particular doubt. Now when you are doing practice at home and you are solving a particular question, you are getting stuck somewhere, you will have someone like a teacher by your side telling you, not just giving you the solution, that's the easy part. It will prompt you the right way, it will ask you the right questions so that you can figure out where you were stuck, and then will give you the nudges of saying that, oh, because I figured out this is where you were stuck, maybe you should correct this, or maybe you should revise this, or maybe you should do 2 more questions like this, right? Similarly, once you have done your test or a weekend test or a practice test or a chapter test, right, it will figure out where you have gone wrong and what you need to do to move from point A to point B. Everyone in the education industry typically struggles, like, I got 80 out of 100. What do I do to move that 80 to 95 or 99 or 100, right? And that's where someone by your side, a teacher by your side, that's something which is going to become a reality which all of us have been dreaming on for years.
We are coming up something really big on AI very soon, so I'm keeping that suspense alive. But I think we're on the right path. We understand education, we understand technology, and we are integrating both to build the best solution for teachers and the learners. Thank you.